It's Kev G with a weather overview. How's it going out there, everybody? Well, the weekend warm-up is here, and we have some caveats with that. For one, if we look at the NOAA graphic, we notice that there's a large disparity in temperatures east of the Hudson versus west of the Hudson and over inland New Jersey, where over inland New Jersey, they could make a run at 80 degrees tomorrow. East of the Hudson, and especially, for New York City, for the eastern boroughs like Brooklyn and Queens, they could be in this near 70 degrees all day, while over Manhattan and the Bronx, it's going for that 80-degree marker. So a wide disparity in temperatures for tomorrow. This is courtesy of NOAA. This is a great graphic. Depending on where you are tomorrow, that's what the temperatures are going to be like. I think overall it's going to be a very nice day across the region, and I also think Saturday is going to be quite nice. But then Sunday we're going to have a big swing in temperatures back the other way, where we're going to be 20 to 30 degrees cooler on Sunday than we were on Saturday, if you can believe that. And telecast.com right now has your temperatures. We're in the mid to upper 50s, and that batch of rain over central and eastern New England is going to keep on going. We're not going to be affected by that. That's going to be moving off to the east. We might have a stray shower or two over the next 12 to 18 hours, but overall it's not going to be too bad. The next 12 to 18 hours are going to be characterized by temperatures that are going to be in the 50s and cloudy conditions with off and on light rain. But then I think we'll break into some sunshine tomorrow afternoon, and then those temperatures will rocket up, especially west of the Hudson River. Now, if we go to the day-to-day off of the Tropical Tidbit site, we see that there's a west-southwesterly flow, and we're going to have that for the next 2 days, and that's going to be providing us with some true spring-like weather, something that we've yearned for quite some time now across the region. And we'll take it any way we can get it here in the New York City metro area. So no weather trouble really happens until Saturday night. Now, for Saturday night through Sunday night, the temperatures are going to start to fall. So after a beautiful day on Saturday where we have widespread 70-degree temperatures yet again, and some places even get to 80, once again west of the Hudson, our temperatures take a nosedive. The wind shifts to the east, and off the pretty cool Atlantic waters for this time of year, temperatures in the 40s, over the ocean rather, and those corresponding temperatures are going to make it all the way inland. So Sunday is going to be a cloudy, chilly day, with temperatures 20 to 30 degrees cooler than when they were on Saturday, if you can believe that. And then Sunday night, we get into some heavy rain as this pretty potent storm system moves in. And I think this will be a 12 to 18-hour period of moderate to occasionally heavy rain. We'll get 1 to 2 inches of rain with locally higher amounts. I think it'll be pretty heavy for the morning commute on Monday, and then that all pulls out by about lunchtime on your Monday. And we're left with a northwesterly flow, which is a cool air mass, from Monday night into Tuesday before we wait until things start to try to get mild for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, there's a weak disturbance that moves through late Wednesday night into Thursday, and that might deliver a stray shower or two. But overall, once we get past Monday, the weather will be pretty okay for next week, it looks like, with not a lot of big storm systems to deal with. And you can see that on the temperature plot off of the Weather Underground. Tuesday's the coolest day next week, but a tale of 2 weekends with Friday and Saturday, very mild temperatures, and then Sunday, raw and chilly, with heavy rain moving in for Sunday night into Monday.